Hey guys, WordPress 5.8 Tatum is released. You will see WordPress is now becoming more customizable with the kind of development that they have done to create a very customizable and user friendly WordPress environment. So I will leave a link for this blog below, and you'll see that the WordPress is now trying to give everything in a form of blogs. So you will see three essential powerhouses which is mentioned here, and you will see the widgets now will look like this, and you will have to deal with the widgets differently. So the widgets and the blocks are the major changes, and you can go through the content for this blog whenever you feel. But today's topic is specifically regarding the widgets. So when you try to open the widgets now on your website, so I will just show you. Go to appearance and widgets. So suddenly you will find the widgets are opening in a different form if you have already created your website. So the widgets actually should look something like this, and you must be familiar how to make use of such widgets. But if you have a website which is already created, you will see some errors now created. I will read out few of these. The nav underscore menu block was affected by errors and may not function properly. Check the developer tool for more details. The text block was affected by errors and may not function properly. Check the developer tool for more details. So such errors, if you are getting, you shouldn't be panic about this, because there is a workaround for this errors, and you can get back to the earlier widgets that you were getting on the earlier versions of WordPress. So a simple thing is go to the plugins and install a new plugin. So the name of the plugin is Classic Widgets. And this one enables the previous classic widget setting screen in appearance, and it is by WordPress contributors themselves. So it has more than 30,000 active installation. So you can just install this plugin and activate it. So once the plugin is active, you can just go and check the appearance widgets. Now you should find the classic widgets area to work with. So that is all, and in further sessions we will look for different errors or the way WordPress has developed the blocks and how we can work with the blocks in a better way. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much and take care.